Yeah, what's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I will be showing you how to test your battery, your DC source. I will be looking at DC source today, not AC. DC, that is direct current. AC means alternative current. In case you don't need that, okay, you don't understand that, drop it in the comment section. I will definitely explain better to you. Alright, so we'll be using our multimeter to do the testing. So in case you don't know how to use multimeter, I've done a lot of video on it. Just check my description, or you go to my playlist, just check for multimeter, you'll see a lot of video there. Okay, so this part is where we'll be using this side. This sign you are seeing here simply means DC. This side flash sign means AC, that is alternative current, those delicate one. But for today, since we want to test something on DC, we'll be dealing with DC, our direct current. All right, so we'll be using between this range. This is where it's starting from 200 milli to 600 volts. All right, so let's dive in. To be very short. So now one thing you need to check is know the range of your battery. Every battery we have is our own rating. Now this one I'm currently holding is between the range, is the maximum range of 1.5. That means anything I'm doing must not be beyond 2. I know it cannot be beyond 2. So if I switch it at 200, 1.5 is too small for that. So 2 is okay for me. So let's check the negative to this side. Remember, this is digital multimeter. Irrespective of my direction, it will work, but just learn to do the right thing. In case you are using analog, that may not be able to dictate it, but digital will do. So, but I'm using the negative probe for the other side. So you can see this battery is currently rating 1 point. Let me on the light. You can see this is 1.6 to it, but approximately 1.6 volts. Okay, you know, that is why I say know the range. This is 1.6 volts. So very simple. So assuming I'm dealing with something around the range of 300 volts, I will have to switch it to 600, because 300 is between 200 and 600. Because if I want to test 300, or let's say 400, I'm now using it at 200 or at 20, I will spoil this multimeter. So you have to really consider that every battery has its own rating on it. So this one is 1.5, so I know 2 is okay for me. If I switch it to 20 now, let's see what will happen. Let's see. You see, it's showing it's still okay. It's better you have more allowance space than you. It's better that the voltage is lower than the rating you are choosing, rather than the voltage is more than your rating. If I'm testing 200 and I put it at 2, I will spoil this. But I want to test 1.5, even though I use 20, it's still okay. If I switch it to 200, let's see. It's still figuring out. It's still 1.5, okay? But it's just okay, just use it that way. Then let's look at the other battery. This one, the rating of this is 4.5 volts. It's really 12 volt, okay? So my negative probe, I'm just using this to just show you this battery is now okay again. This is the voltage. You can see 12 volts, 7 milliampere. That's the rating of this battery. So if I put my negative probe here, the other one here, okay, it's reading. Luckily there is little light on it, okay, but it's fake. So since I know it's 12, I'm putting it on 20, so I will not damage my multimeter. So it's currently reading 11. Let me on the light. It's reading 11.86 volt. So this is still very okay. If I interchange it, it will still be the same, but your analog multimeter may not be able to dictate the RAM probe for you. So just do the right thing, negative to negative, positive to positive. All right, so very. So if I switch this to 200, it will still identify it. You can see it to 600, it will still. There's 11 already. Okay, so that's the way you do it. Based on the kind of vote you are working with, just play around with it. You will definitely get it. If you find value in this video, do it to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next video.